every person okhona la endlini ngikhona masala une task yokubuyela back ekhaya uyohlala nabantwana baki abakho noma ibapha abantwana abadothile to tell them ukuthi ke imali isebenza kaso nakaso imali, so that when you leave the inheritance for them, they could not go to SABC 1 and say, I blow it. Well, many of our sons, especially black people, we've got stupid sons. Snake pugu zamadoda. Umama ashone bekasebenza nguthisha ayithole iprofit and found ithi 2 million ayidle yonke 2 million aqeda lapha eka SABC 1 kuhlele ithi I blow it at I blow it slim sidlile 2 million slim tshela kana slim asika 2 million tshela kana isiphuku sidle 2 million phuphu sakhetha 2 million ya mama waso umama uyisebenzele for 30 years sidle within 6 months sleep uslima nje ubuslima kwamanje ukuthenga amabhiya u6 ungazange uyithenga izikho eziwu6 uslima kwamanje phuphu nje kwamanje uthi nesibindi sokukhela 6 yama Hansa nama Heineken ungazange ukhele 6 yezi Slim asentombazane sami ziphathana notshwala estradini slim sazibaza abakudaba umlomo lapho lokulenga umlomo la ufuna ukugana ngithi unomlomo odabukile uscrap ufuna uzoba iscrap lakithi asifuna igrab ethi sifuna igrab eyishaya ezadadula umlomo zadadula amehlo zatsheka amakhala la sifuna abafazi abafresh fresh like fresh and fresh. My grab is our fast. Wenza umfazi odakwazi, wenza umfazi wabaphethe Heineken. Uthi abiphethe Heineken sokulesihlathi yamidlala isibunyoke le ndawo. Idlala isibunyoke le ndawo. Ubunza yakho zalisela wonke lamadoda. Ngena ngalithatha ngantaba zalisa lonke ibunfa amadoda. Ubunza yakho zasela wonke lamadoda. Fresh. Fresh. Ublima uphatha amabhiya u6. Ublima uphatha ibhiya on Monday. Ublima uphatha ibhiya ngolosibili. Ublima uphatha ibhiya on Friday. Amandiya abe edla imali eSouth Africa. Hey, believe. Kutama kirigama awalali sunemini adapi imali eSouth Africa ngoluphethe namabhiya. Dodana South Africa is son of the soil uphethe amabhiya ngesana. Son of the soil umuntu ofuna izwe linikele kuye after. Kodwa lo muntu uphethe amabhiya on Monday. Uzenza into ephethe ibhiya on Monday. Ngenza into ephethe ibhiya. Ngenza into ehlala ibhiya. Uzongenza ngihlale utshwala. Uma ukhama nje umkhama kuyelo uyanuka umkhama. Kodwa ehlala utshwala ngosomkhama uyanuka phu. Ayiwaphuza maziphuza ibhiya. Khama kayiwanje thothi nuka funa uthela bo shipbush uthele uzamukha ikhamo webhiya. Afana bami ngitshela ucash angisaba. Angisabi ngokapa ngisabi ngephanga ngisabi ngekarata ngisabi ngesipha uyizwe njani ehlala utshwala uyofika njani emshadweni ngokutshwala ushamakidi yokwenzana bona amakidi ayafuneka emshadweni phela amakidi siwabooster the engine booster the engine. Ngaphandle kwamakidneys the engine ayisebenzi. Load shedding pack. Yobekela nini abantu abathi imali? Ubeka nini imali abantu olungileyo? Shiyela abantwana babantwana bakhe ifa. Ngacela ukufa asahambile emhlabeni. Lapha ngabo wenze yahanje kuye kuloya ekubhaliwini. Enye into ofanele yenze mazali, bhaliwini. Bhaliwini. Especially labo babhala namawini. Fethu baba kushiyele na imali. Mama kushiyele na imali, kuthiwa na imali. Uvukile umile ngenyawo. Phuma lapha le mali uyishanje ngama peanuts. Qhumuza njengama peanuts nemali. Kathi uyihlala nathi la lokushini. Ngabe kude la 2 million basana. 2M. Umuntu ayidle nge6 months athi uhlale ehotela for 6 months. Adrobo 50,000 bafake ukhabyo lemoto. Bize bonke abangani bakhe. Ayidle imali angashare even nomndeni wakhe. Mzwale sekaqhalile sekabufuna ukuya la kithi emndenini wakhe. Sikwenzeni thina? Sikwenzeni thina unganemali kanti wahamba ngonemali. Senze sikuphiphe nathi. Olungileyo shela abantwana babantwana bakhe ifa. A good man leave the inheritance for the children of his children. He leaves inheritance. He leaves inheritance. So you cannot make a mistake with you. And then there's nothing that you have planned for your kids. There's nothing that you have planned for their children's children. Because say that the children, only your kids, only your kids. Take 2,500, but about 2,500 is a bank. But we don't take 2,500, but I got 2,500 bank. Dana, so we cut down on Dana 8,000, but I got 8,000 a bank. That's very stupid. It's very stupid. It's very stupid. Good for the farine, well as 2,500. Marauna 2,500 bank. Good for the 22,500 dog. Marauna a bank. When you dog in 2,000. We are dog in 2,000. We dog in 2,500. So we dog. He 22 to 2,500. Marauna a bank. You dog it. You can dog it, but you don't have. Who's working on money in the bank? My money given a kafrar. Got to give it a 2,500 bank. Mama, in cover yam, mutilande move with bank account here. I was in cover yam, move as a puppy with bank account here. So big man mantombazana. Bafana basayifuna intombazana enganamali ayifuni. Asifuni intombazana enganamali. Sifuna intombazana lokuzana nekiss la ibhokisi. Mshilo lasingathi sizokwenza lokuyini bakuletha ngebhokisi bazobe lokuyini size no size bese nebhokisi elingana next kiss. Noma mina ungathi ngamthatha kudala zange bamnika ikiss. Basinganamba saqala phansi but wena ukwazi uqala phansi. Kuthi wena bakuletha nebhokisi size no size. Osi baphethe ibhokisi elingana next. Ukhethani imaro libhokisi ibhokisi. Manje wena lutho na ibhokisi. Ntombazana ningayi nama kiss emshadweni. Yiwa nemali. Nawe sesomdala kangaka kuze nekiss tomdala kangaka lokugana lekiss sonke lesikhathi wenza indoda engekho seyifikile indoda uzana nekiss Ngowenza ngisebenza lesikhathi. Ungasebenzi ubeka imali. Njengoko nasibekela imali, asibekele imali, asibekele imali. Save imali. Akube nemapolice. Akube nama-investment. Sikwazi lokusandela emuva siyisizwe sinengathi siqalekiswa. Common sense, use common sense. Save imali. Olungileyo uyashare abantwana bakhe ingazobeki. Asithathaze, sithandaze. Sibe ngiyasizwa ngiyena.